another look at Bonnie's beautiful journal as I release the Pansy digital kit, and then I reveal the winners from the 8, 9, 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a video that we are going to go over who the winners were in the 8, 9, 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And we are going to look at this journal that Bonnie made again because I just released this digital kit. So I wanted to show you it is released, and all of the digital kits, including this one, are 50% off in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. That is through Cyber Monday. So through December 2nd, all of the digital kits are 50% off. So let's go ahead, look at this beautiful journal one more time that Bonnie made, but this time I want you to look at the kit. So the cover that she did, she used one of the pages from the kit. So it's beautiful pansies, purples, blues, and greens. Here she used another one of the pages. It's got all the different colors of bubbles in the background and the pansies here. And then she used one of the ephemera pages and she cut it out and used it here and used some of it here. This kit comes with 27 digital files, including pages, ephemera, and side-by-side pages. So some of the pages you'll have one image on one side and another image on the other side that are similar. Gosh, this journal is just absolutely beautiful, and I'll tell you who won this in just a moment because I'm going to go through the list of the winners. This is from the ephemera kit. This is from the ephemera part of it's all one digital kit. All of the pansies came from one digital kit. Like I said, there's 27 files. You get the music, the flower song, and this. So just absolutely beautiful, and it's available now in the Etsy shop, and it is 50% off through. This one is also. This is another one of the pages here. This is a napkin, so that right there is not one of the images. But here she used, this is one of the images, this down here. So you get all the different sizes. And in this digital kit, you also get the original full-size pages. So you get the full-size sheet of the music paper. You get the full-size sheet of all the originals, and so those you can take, and if you just want to print 9 wallet size of the music, you can do that. So thank you again, Bonnie. These are absolutely beautiful, and again, this digital kit is available in the Dear Julie Etsy shop through Cyber Monday, December 2nd, 2019, for 50% off. So now, who was the winner of this journal? Congratulations, the winner is listed in my list journal. There we go. Okay, so the beach journal winner was Sherry Pitko. The Paris mini journal was Gail Palin. The altar journal, Dawn Deaver. The pansy journal, this one, Barbie Morgan. Little Girl on Front, Sherry Larson. The Orange Bunny Journal was Barbara LaForge. Christmas Landscape Journal, Stephanie with Shepherd's Creation. And Stephanie, I need your Facebook name to be able to tag you there. Friends Journal, Kathy D, and that was Kathy Damron. Napkins Blue Flowers, Susan Thatcher. Napkin Chilies, Diane Timmons. So those are the journals and the napkins. Congratulations to all those winners. You have until Friday, that will be the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Friday, December 6th to get in touch with me and so that we can get those out to you. After Friday we will go ahead and redraw for new winners. The late fall one sheet: Christine Nelson, Laugh Love Polish, Gail Pollen, Lottie Pierce, Laugh Love Polish, I wrote you in here twice, Cindy Haslip, Sue LePage, Melissa Seifert, and Lynette McElmurray. Okay, so that's for the late fall one sheet, and you'll need to be a member of Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie, and we'll get your information and get you to the right place there. Roses kit, so the winners of the Roses digital kit: Beehives, Bonnie Lipke, Yeah, I Know 30, that was Cheryl Todd, Melissa Seifert, Kathy D. Damron, Cheryl Ray, Beehives, and then Kathy D spelled differently. Tiny Houses, Donna Fellows, Beehives, Tanya McGuire, Sheila Blair, Kathy D. This is the IE, Kathy D. And Sherry Larson and Kathy Allgood. So I will see all of you at the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie. We'll get you to the right place so you can enjoy those digitals and download them immediately for Thanksgiving. And don't forget to check out the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie Facebook group for your Thanksgiving one sheet. Find something to celebrate every day. Thank you again, Bonnie, for a beautiful journal. Congratulations to our winners, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.